So our basic planter shape is complete, but there are still certain portions that we need to fill up, certain portions we need to patch up, and we are going to do that by creating 3D sketches and use the line tool. This happens because the way we choose the design, the way we extruded the triangles, there are certain portions, as you can see, that are devoid of any solid material, and we need to fill this up for strength as well as continuity on the top surface. And the way we're going to do that is basically enclose the portion, the area where we want solid, with 3D sketches, and later we're going to use patch and sculpt to fill that with solid material. So what we're going to do is basically create sketches, 3D sketches rather, and enclose the volume that we need filled up. And as you can see, we are using the line tool, and make sure that you are choosing the correct vertex. Now most of the CAD softwares will help you with this, and as you hover over the vertex, it will turn green or some color to to indicate that you're concurrent with that vertex, and that is when you click. So make sure you're using again the correct vertex and create the surface. Also make sure that you are closing the loop. Every sketch that you create, every surface that you intend to create with the sketches, you need to make sure that you're closing the loop, otherwise the patch and sculpt will not work. So these are the four surfaces that we create, and now we are patching it up. So basically patching creates a surface on between the edges, between the lines, and as you can see, it's creating the surface, four surfaces based on what sketches we create. And once that is done, we are going to use the sculpt tool and basically choose the four surfaces, and it will place in solid inside that portion. And that is how we bridge that gap, bridge the portions that were left in the earlier process. So this looks just about right. We basically added portions, missing portions to the design, and again we are going to do this for the entire circular pattern. And again, CAD helps us here. Just plug in the numbers correctly, choose the correct axis. We'll put the placement as 10, and as you can see, it highlights where all it's gonna put the same feature. And let me zoom in, rotate, and show you that uh, everywhere that we have put the same feature. So this is how we achieve bridging the missing pieces, and this we are going to do for